I'm enjoying a slow morning this morning. I had no husband and no kiddo to worry about, so it was just me and Max. We went on a nice walk, and then we did absolutely nothing for a little bit, just sitting outside chilling, enjoying the somewhat cool weather this morning before it started getting hot again. Y'all, it has been in the upper 90s and hundreds for the past few days, and I'm just so ready. Like, so ready for it to cool down. Like, it's just like a whole new level of heat. I think they're talking about something like corn sweat, which I've never even heard of, but we are around a ton of like cornfields. And so, like, it has just been a whole new level. So, just the fact that I could sit outside for a little bit, do a little bit of yoga as well, it was so nice just to kind of break up the day, enjoy my slow morning before this major heat comes back.
People knew her by her will, to make it whatever she put her mind to. Late night hours up the hill, serving coffee to strangers, talking about revenue. She kept dreaming of a world big enough for everyone, but she knew it must rain before it grows. She kept dreaming of the day butterflies survived the wheel, even though she got knocked down and never showed. Dear Lily, where'd you go? Where's your heart at? Why'd you fall back? Lately your afterglow is shining brighter, waking up an easy.
Of course, Max always has to make an appearance when I'm trying to do yoga. I don't know what it is, why he loves blocking the camera, but he ended up doing it a couple times. It's like a toddler, like you're trying to focus in, do something that's, relaxing, trying to have your me time, and then he's just like, hey, Mom, hey, can you come here? It's so funny. But I was able to get like 15-minute yoga session in, which that was great. I was feeling super sore this morning, so it was nice to be able to, stretch and loosen up and, just have some self-care time.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes.
After yoga, I went in and took me a shower and started getting myself ready for the day. I had some daily chores that I needed to work on next, so I started doing that. And y'all are going to see me in my, towel wrap. If you didn't see my last video, I cut my hair, and I love my hair shorter. It just fits me better. Once it gets down to a little bit past my shoulders, I'm ready just to chop it off again. I used to have such long hair, I would let it get so long and then I would chop it off, but now I just can't do it. So one of the reasons why I cut my hair, like I said, I love it short, but I'm tired of wearing it up in a clip. And so I cut it short. That way it makes me accountable to get, my hair fixed. And also, I try not to put as much heat on it as I can, which I have been straightening it where I do have it short. But if I can avoid drying it with a blow dryer, I definitely try to. So y'all are going to be seeing me with wet hair a lot because, I'm just trying to avoid that extra added heat where I am already using my straightener to try to help me style it right now. Because when it's shorter, I do like it better straight versus my natural curls. But I did get a ton of compliments from you guys when I did have it curly. But I prefer my hair straight when it is super short. But let's go ahead and get started on our daily chores.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby,
We changed a few things recently in the boys' bunk, which when I say the boys, if you're new here, I mean our dog and our son. They both sleep back here. The other side that you guys can't actually see, there is a dog cage, and we were able to take out one of those benches that was in there. And so we turned the dog cage the other way, so that just gave the boys a little bit more floor space. And it seems to work out good. We left the other bench in because that is what Winston uses for his toy box, so, it works. And we also had room to kind of slide his scooter in between both of those, just that way, that's not hanging out in the floor. And then we upgraded Winston's mattress, and then we got him a ladder. So we're slowly getting things, going in here and slowly changing things to what fits us best. I'm going to chom this cover real quick. I try to wash this like every other week. But in between that, I, make sure to chom it just to help with the, dog hair. Y'all know if you have pets, you got to stay ahead of the game with the dog hair. The Chom Chom, I do have linked to Amazon storefront, and then I have this cover linked as well. The cover is linked under the RV, living section. I can't remember where the Chom Chom is. I'll double check. But I really like these covers. One of you guys actually sent this to me. It was, from our Amazon wish list. It's super soft, and it comes in all kinds of different colors. It comes in different sizes. I want to order another one just that way I can, kind of change it out in between. But I really like those, and I do have them linked if you are interested. But now it is time to head out and get some laundry done. I had 3 loads of laundry. I don't know what it is, but I told Luke the other day, I was like, I couldn't imagine having a larger family because I feel like I already do so much laundry. But we don't have all of our clothes here. We don't have all of our towels here. So, we're limited on everything. So I'm just washing and washing and washing as I'm going. But it's time to do laundry now.
It goes round and round in circles, but I'm still on the ground. It's a dizzying day. I would give a lot to get away. It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave? I got the curtains up. I guess it would be nice if you could interrupt. It's a day like this. It's a day I really would have missed. It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me?
I promise my kitchen doesn't always look like this. Like, there's times where there's not big old piles of dishes everywhere. But it seems like on the days that I, have time to film for you guys, the kitchen's always a disaster. So, this is real life. Like, I promise there's times where my kitchen doesn't look like this. But there's also a lot of times where it does because I cook. I do a lot of cooking. And that means there's going to be a lot of dishes. And that's totally okay.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. for stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
I was able to get the floors done and the kitchen cleaned up, and then it was time to go and switch the laundry over to the dryers. I was on the phone with Luke, saying hi and checking in with him. He had called while I was doing the dishes, so I wanted to call him back. We had actually got new phones a few days ago, and since we owned our other phones, we were able to keep them. And so I now have a phone that I can film on, and then that way I can still, use my other phone for, just daily life, which honestly, I think that's going to be super helpful for me. And I'm going to have double the amount of storage. So that's also great because that means I can, film more and try to get some more videos out for you guys. I'm trying to get back into posting 4 days a week. 3 days seems like for sure doable right now, and I'm trying to get that 4th video out, but it's just hard finding the balance. But maybe I can get there. It's so funny to think that I used to post 6 to 7 days a week, and then now I'm just struggling to get out 3 to 4 videos. It's just funny. But happy to have 2 phones now, so that way I can, multitask here. So I'm just switching the laundry over, checking in on him. He was actually in Texas this day that I'm filming. He goes to Texas quite a bit. If you live in Texas, hey. He goes, I'm not going to say the exact, location where he goes, but he goes to Texas quite a bit, and he seems to like that run. But yeah, I'm going to get the laundry switched, and then I need to clean out the fridge. The fridge was so gross. I needed to clean the doors of the fridge. They were gross too, all kinds of fingerprints. And then I needed just to pull everything out and wipe down because there was sticky, and yeah, we needed to give the fridge a reset.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the 2 of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. 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 All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the 2 of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head.
I wanted to get the rest of those dishes washed up. That way I didn't have to worry about anything later. Those were just the ones from the fridge that I pulled out. And then I had a bag of trash that I needed to walk down. So whenever I went and walked the trash down, I did go back into the laundromat and fold and bring our clothes back up. And then once I brought those up, I needed to walk the dog. And so we're just doing a lot of little in and outs right here.
I've got something on my mind. I bet you know what I'm thinking about. You know I can't stop loving you. Every time when you're looking at me, it feels like my heart is skipping a beat, yeah. You know I can't live without you. You make me crazy in a good way. So come on, baby, let's talk. Let's talk about love, like you and me all night. And let's talk about love and feeling alright. And let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. You're everything I'll ever need. So let's talk about love. Can I take you out tonight? Kiss you in the moonlight. There is no place I'd rather be. Come on, girl, we can take my car, drinking some beers in your favorite bar, yeah. You know I can't live without you. You make me crazy in that good way. So come on, baby.
I got my daily chores done, laundry caught up for now. The RV is reset and we are ready for a new week. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I hope it gave you some inspiration, some homemaker motivation. I'm going to go spend the rest of my day with my boy, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.